Imagine the satisfaction of effortlessly slicing through a stubborn branch, or the ease of turning over soil that feels as soft as butter. This isn't just a gardener's fantasy, it's the reality for those who understand the significance of maintaining their garden tools. Garden tools are more than just our green-thumbed extensions, they are an investment in our time, our effort, and our passion for nurturing life. The better we maintain them, the more they reward us with efficiency and ease. A well-maintained tool cuts cleaner, digs smoother, and works harder. It saves you from unnecessary strain, reduces the risk of damaging your beloved plants, and even extends the longevity of the tool itself. It's a cycle of care that not only benefits you and your garden but also promotes sustainability. When we talk about maintaining garden tools, we're talking about simple yet impactful actions. Cleaning off the dirt after each use, sharpening blades regularly, oiling the moving parts, and storing them properly. These small efforts can make a world of difference to your gardening experience. Just as a chef wouldn't dream of preparing a feast with a dull knife, a true gardening enthusiast knows the value of well-kept tools. They understand that these tools are the lifeline to their blooming oasis. The benefits of maintaining garden tools are manifold. They make gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable. They ensure that your tools last longer, saving you money in the long run. They also help to prevent the spread of disease among your plants. In summary, maintaining your garden tools is about more than just extending their lifespan. It's about improving your gardening experience, promoting plant health, and embracing a sustainable way of life. It's about understanding that these tools are an extension of the gardener's hand, and their maintenance is a reflection of the gardener's respect for nature. In the realm of gardening, it's often said that the best fertilizer is the gardener's shadow. But perhaps it's time we added to that wisdom. Perhaps the best tool in the garden isn't just the gardener's shadow, but also a well-maintained tool in the gardener's hand.